See, there used to be a gate right here. I mean, fence right here. But it got taken down to do a couple fix some things. But this is the horse barn. And like I said, you used to be able to have a fence right there. The fence ain't there. Now, went ahead and shut the gate. This is my property. So here's that. I gotta try to do it quickly because you only can do a video for 15, anything over 15 minutes I can't post it. So I'm gonna try to do it in 14. So there's the barn. It's a horse farm. See, this is where we put the horses in the winter. But most of the time it's just January and February. They could run down here in December too. But January and February is the only time they were really limited to here. There's Shoemaker's property. Come down here. You can either open it over there or there's a gate right here that can get opened and shut. It's not that hard to get open up. See, it's like a small little thing right there. Yeah, see, it's a little gate like that. You unhook it, and then I can slip through here, and you can open it up when the horses was here, and then you go like this. This is all mine. Land. See, down here you can't see nothing. So people don't realize this is all mine. You go here, behind this person's house. Look at his garden. There's a fence right there. Yeah, this front yard's shorter than back here. Okay, I gotta do it quickly. Because this is legally mine. So there's a fence right over there. So it's growing up through here, so I might have to go further down, but don't really want to, but I might have to make 2 videos of this. But this is all my property. I'm allowed to be here because I pay taxes for all this shit. And right down there's a pond. I have to make 2 videos of this because I don't know if it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna do it. I might as well do it today, right now. It's the present. It's after lunch. Yeah, it's a horse farm, but there's cattle on it now. See, they can. This is the area where that one pulpwood company decided he wanted to be an idiot, and he come down here and cut my fence. And right now we're at 4 minutes and 43 seconds. So there's that. Let's see. they got a path down here to the pond. So I said there's a pond down here. A little bit of trees, not a lot. But I'm hoping to don't have to go all the way to the pond. Seeing it. But this is my property. Almost 5 minutes. Yeah, they got it. I should have just stayed over there. There it is. There's the pond. It's green, but then again, that's because cows get in it, and you know what cows eat and drinking shit at the same time. But there's the pond. We're below them people's houses, but there's the pond on my property. Now, you walk back up here. Like I said, it's mine, and there's the pond. So when people was calling in animal control, when the horses were here, they were doing it for spite. There was no need to do that. But people want to be on here, and they want to cause troubles and stuff. But this is all mine. If you go to the tax records, which people do, and look at the deeds, you'll see it. And there's the back of the barn. And right now we're at 6.5 minutes. But there's the barn from down here. So you can see it. The barn. And this is all mine. And if you don't believe it, also you can go to Voice of Ill. Ask Voice of Ill about it. He knows that I have this property down here. But this is all mine. So I'm not going all the way to the house, but I'm just going to record as I walk up to the barn. Because like I said, I only got so many minutes. This is all mine. I had the horse and the pony back here, so it wasn't mine. So, I mean, 2 horses could have fit back here. But she wanted to cause problems. And we know people's, you act like they don't, you can do it for you and get this information when people start calling in false reports. But like I said, this is a fence that goes all the way down there to the corner. But this is all mine. This was 10 acres, bought later, separate, and was added to the deed. And like I said, y'all probably went and looked at my deeds anyhow to know it. So, I don't care what you feel like and say. Ooh, it's a hot walk. But this is mine. When I get up here, I'll pause it long enough to lock the gate behind me, because I left it open. And then I'll turn it back on quickly. Try to do this. It depends on where it's at. On the thing, I might just have to end it, because like I said, I want to get this up on YouTube for part 2 today. At noon it's hot. We're at 9 minutes and something, 9:15. Now that gate was harder to shut than it was open. Okay, there's the barn. I gotta step up pace. It's 9:14, 9:15 when I turn it back on. So I gotta step it up, pick up the pace. It's hot. It is noon after lunch, around 12:15 too. So, And I ain't going that direction. So there's a fence. I'm going back out through the gate, which is not the way I came. I'm going in the front door. So I better pick it up. Once I get through here, I can pick up space because, like I said, this shit is up past my knees, close to my crotch. It's hard to walk in. When I get to the front door, my drink's already there. I slipped out the back door. Yeah, 10 minutes and 39 seconds. Took me a minute to walk up here, from there to there. And I can walk this way, around my lights. Show off my tomatoes real quick. Like I said, quickly. So here's 1, 2, here's my tomatoes. And there's a yellow one. This is the back entrance. So, and I'm recording, it's not, right now I'll put it on there. It'll stay on my phone. But here we are back to my chair. And that's my farm. 11 minutes. I got 20 seconds. That's my horse farm that Victoria Carr and me was actually put together because God wanted her to have her horses have a nice place, but instead she wanted to call me mentally ill and stuff. So, reap what you sow.